Calendly versus Tidycal. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about two of the most used schedulers, the most used bookers and calendar applications out there. Okay, so Calendly, as we all know, is one of the most famous meeting scheduler and your basic calendar application. Okay, it helps you book everything properly. You can not only book appointments, you can create new events. You can manage all of your working from one calendar application place. The Tidycal application, on the other hand, is a lot similar to Calendly, but obviously the features are differing, like their pricings and other stagnant features. So we're going to be talking about it in great depth and detail. So to get a more consistent and better idea about it, we're going to get into both of their platforms and see how they actually work. All right, so to start things off, let's go over to Calendly's homepage again. Okay, so in Tidycal, as you can see, we have all of these things going on over here. The simplest way to book and schedule meetings. Now, as you scroll down, you can get a preview of what their application is actually about. They say that to sign up, you need no credit card. It's a forever free plan, and that is pretty incredible. It's rated 4.7 on the excellence scale. You can see that they have good ratings on AppSumo as well, good reviews, etc. Now, here it says, why choose Tidycal? You can get extra features with the Tidycal lifetime deal. See how it stacks up. So, Tidycal's unlimited booking types, custom availability, add your callers, max calendar connections, custom email reminders, group bookings, auto-create meeting URLs, confirmation redirect, paid bookings, and even integrations. All of these are extra features that you can get. Not all of them are going to be on the free plan, but still, the features are good for their price range and markup, and I would definitely go ahead and give them at least give them a try to actually see how they pan out. Now, if you go over to the pricing section over here, you can see choose the right plan for you. So you can either go with the free plan or you can go with the lifetime plan, which is a single payment. Okay, you just need to pay $29 once, and that is it. Okay, you are signed up with the unlimited Tidycal lifetime plan. But obviously, if you don't want to spend money, you can simply come over here and get the free plan for yourself too. So what you're going to do is you're going to add your name, you're going to add your email and your password and register. So let me show you where that takes us. Now, once you have registered, it's going to bring you here. It's going to say, awesome. Now connect your calendar. Now, if you use any of these calendars, you can go ahead and connect them, like your Google account calendar, your Microsoft calendar, or even your Apple calendar. Now, the reason you do this for, Tidycal or Calendly is because, whatever calendars you have, you already might have schedules on them. So if you connect them to these platforms, basically all your schedules on those platforms will be switched to these platforms, which is pretty cool. Now, one of the best parts is that you can actually integrate or import your event types from Calendly as well. So you can connect Calendly if you want to. Again, I'm simply going to go ahead and skip this step, and it brings us here. So it says, welcome, John. We're so happy to have you here. So we're going to go ahead and click on Start Using Tidycal. Now, these are the main dashboards. Okay, this is your home section on Tidycal and Calendly. Now, to get a more in-depth response and to get a more, you could say, in-depth analysis of what's really going on over here, what you can basically do is, come here on the left-hand side of Calendly. So we have create, where you can create new events or create any type of booking or whatever you are willing to create. So event type, one-off meeting, or a meeting poll. An event type is where you can create a new template for your regularly scheduled events. You have one-off meeting where you can invite someone to pick a time to meet with you. And then meeting poll where you can schedule a group meeting after offering times for a vote. Okay, so that is what you can create. So we have meetings over here that you have already adjourned or booked. You can see the availability of your schedule. What times are you available, what times are you not. You can gather all your contacts in this section as well. You can also manage your workflows from this place where you can save time with your workflows. You have a lot of integrations and apps as well that you can check out, and also you have different qualifying, routing, and scheduling meetings. Okay, Now, when it moves over to Tidycal, in Tidycal, you have booking types on the dashboard page. So you can create new booking types. This is basically the same as creating an event on Calendly, okay? So that's where the features do coincide. So whatever Calendly's events are the bookings of your Tidycal. Then they give you 3 standard booking times: the 15-minute meeting, 30-minute meeting, and 60-minute meeting. Okay, you can edit this, clone this, or delete this as you want. You can also choose different types of events, so you can create date polls. Again, there's the availability of you, so basically it rechecks your schedule to see what days are you free. Then these are the upcoming bookings that you already have, and right here you gather all the contacts that you are working or booking with. So, most of the things that they both have are pretty similar, and obviously if you want to get the integrations, you can find them here through the settings section. Now, when it comes to integrations, you can clearly see who's the winner in this case. So if we see Calendly's integrations, which are pretty much countless, and then we see these integrations, not a lot of things to, go on for us. So when it comes to integration, Calendly definitely takes the win on it because just look at it. It's pretty self-explanatory. Now, moving on, if we go over to the actual booking, if we go into creating an event, let's see what kind of, steps it takes us through. So to create an event in Calendly, we're going to come over to this section. So here it says create new event type. So it could be a one-on-one event, it could be a group event, collective, or a round robin event. Same goes with Tidycal. You're going to come here, click on create new booking type. It's going to ask you your title, URL, description, etc. So I'm going to go with the one-on-one event on Calendly as well. Let's name the event test. Let's keep it at a 60-minute duration, and let's keep it a phone call. So once we do this, we're going to click on update. And once you have done that, you're going to click on continue. And that basically schedules an event for you. That's pretty much about it. Now, when it comes to Tidycal, let's do the same. Test. Here's the URL. Let's go with duration of 60 minutes. All right. And you can write its description on what this, booking is actually about. And, right now I'm going to go ahead and write a random description, but obviously whatever the description according to you is, or whatever the booking according to you is, you're going to write the description according to that. So skipping all of that, we're going to click on create booking. And now, as you can see, it says your booking has been created. So now you can share it out with people and, actually get a good consistent idea. So here's my booking right now. And the booking was currently off, but, as we have turned booking on, you can pretty much go ahead and start getting paid for it. Now, Tidycal's free plan does not allow you to have more than 3 bookings on, okay? Calendly, on the other hand, does not have those limitations, okay? You can go crazy on the free plan as well. Just go ahead and activate as many bookings as you want. It's that incredible. And the best part about Calendly is that if you go to share over here, you can not only copy and send a link, you can also add the times to your email to let you know that, you have been booked and scheduled. And you can also go ahead and add this booking onto a website. So you can add it as an inline embedding, okay? Add a scheduling page to your site, basically. Then you have a pop-up widget where you can add a floating button that opens a pop-up. And then you have pop-up text where you can add a text link that opens a pop-up for you. So how incredible and cool is all of that? Now, if you've gotten a, consistent and normal idea about all of these things, basically that's the main difference when it comes to Calendly and Tidycal, okay? So personally, I would always prefer Calendly over Tidycal because Calendly not only has more and better features, but it also gives you more integrations, much better, you could say, related to pricing, and a whole lot more. So do make sure to check these products out by yourselves as well if you want to, but I would definitely go with Calendly over Tidycal. If you're a beginner, you can go with Tidycal because Tidycal is pretty easy to get along with. But if you are wanting to run a proper small business or a good enterprise with proper booking, then Calendly is for you. So that's pretty much about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and incredible day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.